Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm participating in the Spring Clean With Me series that's being hosted by Kimberly Davis over at Diva Design on Design with Kimberly Davis. And each week of spring, each Tuesday of spring, she's asking us to clean a certain area in our home. Last week was your foyer or entryway, and I do not have a foyer entryway, so I wasn't able to participate. But this week is the living room, so what you see me doing here is tidying up. My house stays pretty clean, so in this video, since my living room is already clean, I'm just gonna clean the ottoman, and I'll also be cleaning my sofa. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on budget-friendly ways to help you save money on daily essentials like groceries, gas, or just whatever you need in life. So it's pretty much a lifestyle channel also. So if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. And thank you, Kimberly, for this beautiful sign. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. She sent me that about a year and a half ago. And so I just participated in the coffee table challenge also, and I'll leave that video below where I created this cute little vignette that you see here that I just rearranged. So what I'm going to do here is take my Scotch Guard fabric cleaner and clean my sofa. It's leather and fabric, so that's what I'll be doing here. So like I was saying, if you enjoy budget-friendly content, lifestyle channels, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and click that red subscribe button. Right now I'm uploading the video daily because I have some goals for my channel and I'm trying to reach them by uploading the video daily. And I try to keep my videos under 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes rather. So I just spray this on here and let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. The fabric cleaner is sitting. I want to show you this beautiful rug that I picked up from Ross for $49.99. It has some black and gray and neutral tones in it. I wanted the rug I had here before was just as dark as the sofa, and I wanted to brighten up the area, so I picked this up from Ross for $49.99, and it's a 5x7 rug. And this is a cute doormat that I picked up from Ross also. It was $6.99. My camera's out of focus, sorry about that. But anyway, if you're familiar with my channel, you know I like anything with the bicycle theme for spring and summer. My decor pretty much stays the same spring and summer. And I also picked up these, come on, focus, camera, focus. I feel like I'm at the eye doctor. I can't see nothing. There we go. I picked up these beautiful galvanized flowers plaque. I think I'm going to hang them over my bed. I'm not sure if I'm going to need 3, but I picked up 3 of these, and they are 19 inches by 19 inches, and they were $19.99. Now I just take a old cloth that I'm not going to use anymore, and I wet it a little bit, and I just go through and just clean the spots, any spots that I see. I do this about once a month. It doesn't have many spots because I'm really OCD and I try to take care of my thing. So this is my sofa all cleaned, and a tip for you is to do cleaning like this at night before as everyone goes to bed. That way it'll be nice and dry when you wake up in the morning. And another tip is I like to refresh my my sofa with this fabric refresher by Febreze. I want to go ahead and thank Kimberly Davis for hosting this challenge. It was much needed. Alrighty, that's going to conclude this video. I want to go ahead and thank the beautiful Kimberly Davis for hosting this challenge, which is a much needed challenge. I love the way she's doing 1 room per week. I think that's great. And so that's going to conclude this video. Got my couch all freshened up, free of spots and all smelling good. So this is Miss V. As always, I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. So glad my budget released me to do a little shopping. That's the thing about budgeting. At some point, you're going to be able to get some of the things you really want if you just stay disciplined. So that's it. If you're coming over from the playlist, welcome, welcome, welcome. We have fun and we save money over here on this channel. Also, I am documenting my debt-free journey and my getting healthier, not healthy, healthier journey here. So if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the video. Thank you.